In this video, I will share with you Top 5 Best Front-Loading Washing Machines in 2024, giving you the inside scoop on features, performance, and what it's really like to use them. Number 1. LG Signature Twin Wash High-Efficiency Smart Front Load Washer. This LG washer takes the cake for innovation. It boasts a 2-in-1 design with a main washer and a mini washer built into the pedestal. Perfect for small loads or delicates, the Twin Wash lets you multitask laundry like a pro. Experience. Let's talk tech. LG's AI technology adjusts settings based on load size and fabric type, ensuring a spotless clean. Plus, the built-in steamer tackles stubborn stains. Goodbye pre-treating, however, the Twin Wash comes at a premium price, and the mini washer's capacity might not suit everyone. Number 2. GE Ultrafresh Vent System Smart Front Load Washer. For those battling laundry room odors, the GE Ultrafresh Vent System is a game changer. This washer uses a built-in fan to circulate air and prevent mold growth, keeping your laundry smelling fresh for longer. Experience. This GE model strikes a good balance between features and affordability. The UltraFresh system works wonders, and the smart features allow remote control and cycle adjustments. However, some users report the wash cycles can be a tad lengthy. Number 3. GE Smart Front Load Washer Dryer Combo. Short on space? This GE Combo washer and dryer is your laundry room superhero. It washes and dries in one machine, saving you precious square footage. Smart features and a ventless design add to its convenience. Experience. This combo unit is a lifesaver for apartments or small living spaces. The convenience factor is undeniable and the smart features are a nice touch. However, combo units generally have smaller capacities and drying times can be longer than dedicated dryers. Number 4. Beko Front Load EcoTub Compact Washer. Efficiency is the name of the game with the Beko EcoTub. This compact washer boasts impressive water efficiency and a variety of quick wash cycles, making it ideal for eco-conscious households or those with busy lifestyles. Experience. This Beko washer is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. The quick wash cycles are perfect for getting laundry done fast, and the water efficiency is a plus. However, the Beko is a no-frills washer. Don't expect fancy smart features or a large capacity. Number 5. Samsung Bespoke Smart Front Load Washer. Samsung's Bespoke washer is all about customization. It comes in various colors and finishes, allowing you to match your washer to your existing decor. Plus, its spacious capacity and powerful steam cleaning technology cater to large families or those with heavily soiled laundry. Experience. This Samsung washer is a powerhouse. The large capacity tackles mountains of laundry and the steam function is effective for deep cleaning. The bespoke design options are a nice touch for design-conscious buyers. On the downside, the bespoke washer is on the pricier side, and some users find the control panel a bit complex.